Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about motivation. Okay. For those of you who feel demotivated at times, who are procrastinating over their work, so I would like to say one thing that you need to have a plan. Okay. You need to write down goals. Okay, and you should need to focus on that one thing which will help to achieve your goals. Okay. Of course you can do whatever things are required, but at a time you have to focus on the one thing which is most crucial at that particular instance period of time. For example, so there is a book called which goes by the same name, The One Thing, by Gary Keller and uh, Jay Papasan. So it mentions about the benefits of focusing on one thing at a time, which will lead to a domino effect, and the success will take a geometric progression. It will have a compounding effect over a period of time. Something which starts linearly, it will have a multiplier effect if you keep working on it, and if you focus on one thing, one significant thing at a time, which will lead to your goals. So there's a Russian proverb which says that if you focus on or if you try to catch two rabbits at once, then you will catch neither. This itself means the necessity that there is a need to declutter and focus on one thing at a time, rather than doing too many things uh, simultaneously. Okay. Now, this book also talks about habit formation, so creation of habits as a part of success. So if you are successful in creating successful habits, okay, then it will help you achieve your main goals basically, right? Or it will help you achieve success in your field, whatever work you do. So you have to build successful habits, okay, first, okay, to reach a particular goal you have set for yourself. So write down those goals, make plans for those, and start creating positive habits to achieve the same. As per a research conducted in University College of London in 2009, it takes about 66 days to create a habit. So you have to keep working according to that, and don't give up midway. Some things take less time, some things take more time, but on an average, it takes that much amount of time. So the idea is to keep working consistently, day in and day out, okay, and create a domino effect in a positive way. Okay, that is what this book tells us about. So don't lose hope if things are not going well. This too shall pass, and you should always remember that you should have a positive outlook towards life, and be hopeful for each new day. Forget whatever has happened, but learn from them, and take your positive attitude forward to do well in your field and life. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and to get further such videos, notification about further such videos, please click on the notification button also. Please subscribe to my channel and do share the video with others. Thank you very much.